G'day everyone, we're back with another TEMU time. And there's really only one thing in here that's really interesting for me. But I'll show you everything we've got. These silicone bottomed seed trays came out for $1 or $2 again. Price up there. I'll grab some more. And as I like them so much, I got some square ones for my trees and bigger plants that I put into these to begin with. Let the seeds grow, get them to a reasonable size, and put them into a bigger pot. So we'll see how they go. Now, because I've been giving so many plants away, I've gone very low on these little fellas. And again, they're for single seeds. They're really nice, flexible plastic, lots of drainage holes in the bottom, and they were cheap. So I got some more. Like I said, not unused, so I don't mind buying plastic. I'm going to continue to use it for years. So we got those as well. But the most important thing that I bought is this. This is a citrus juicer. It says so right there. And the reason I bought this is last year I made lime pickle. It was nice. It still is nice because I made more than 20 kilos of it because I've got so many limes on my one productive lime tree. So this year I'm going to be making something along the lines of ship's lime, and that's a lime cordial. For those who don't know what cordial is, because I think the US call it something else, and cordial is something different in the UK. Anyway, it's basically just concentrated fruit juice that you can store for longer periods of time. Now, with my old arthritic wrists, I don't want to be sitting there with one of those hand juices trying to do 20, 30 kilos of limes. So I thought I'd give this a shot. And it was cheap. But I'm not sure it'll work. I'm not overly confident. Like with all TEMU things, I'm not overly confident. But sometimes they do work. So let's get him out. Now, it's a very simple little thing. USB powered. Which we may need. Oh no, there we go. Okay, so we've probably got enough power on there at the moment. We have a cone-shaped thing to go in here. It's pretty normal sort of plasticky type stuff. Here's our juicer. And our whole thing comes off so we can give it a clean, which we shall now do just to get rid of any grimy stuff that's on there. I'll give it a quick wash. We'll come back. And I picked a couple of limes. One right, one could do it a little bit longer because my limes aren't quite ready yet. We'll come back and give it a shot. So this time, hopefully I'm recording. It's my third effort without the camera person. So we just chop it in half, and isn't that a lovely lime? Oh, it smells good. So we need to take our ringer thing, put that in there. Press a button, hold for 2 seconds. Make sure our thing's hooked on. This sticks on the little point. Drop our cover on top. Lock it in place. And there's our drain. And we simply push the button. Fully charged now, so it should be better. And down it goes again. Being fully charged, it's done a much better job. Put the other half on. Make sure we lock that in place. Off it goes again. There's a bit of a struggle there, but we'll turn around. And let's see how much juice we got. 1 lime. It's not quick, but I think it'll save me a lot of time when I'm making the lime cordial or ship's lime. I'm happy with that. Well, that's twice that I've not pushed the record button correctly. What am I going to do with this lime juice? Well, I'm going to boil it, add some sugar, make sure it's acidic enough, so I'll check it for the acidity, and basically put it in bottles. That's it. And that's how we make ship's lime. But for now, mineral water, lime juice, and I have a really nice, refreshing lime drink. What do you reckon? Worth the money for that thing? Let me know in the comments. You got one? You got a better one? Please let me know. But I think it'll do for me. Enjoy life. Catch you in the garden.